Okay guys, anybody who has these semi trucks, Peterbilt, Freightliner, Volvo, this is the kill switch. This is a dump truck, and they're stealing these dump trucks like crazy in these yards. The theft has escalated big time in these trucks, on the dump trucks for theft. And Freightliners and Peterbilt, this is a great kill switch. If you're in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, we do come out to you. If you're out of state, don't worry. We have the kits already prepped up, programmed, ready to go. It will come with the installation video. We have it for the Peterbilt, Kenworth, Volvo, the International, whatever truck you got going on, whatever semi you got going on. And the way it works is right now the truck won't, when you get out of the say you drive somewhere and you turn off the key from the ignition, pretty much you don't have to do anything. Once you arrive to a place and turn off the truck, it will automatically turn itself on in 30 seconds. So you really don't have to do anything. When you come back to the vehicle, before you start the truck, you got to press the middle button, and that will disable the unit, and it will allow you to start the truck. But I'm going to show you without doing it what would a thief do. They will bust out the keyhole, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to turn the key in ignition. Okay, truck won't start. Okay, but if you hit the middle button like what we talked about, and now the truck will start. Okay. And what we also did for the customer, he gets the alarm alert that the alarm is going off. Okay. For some reason, it didn't do the ringtone on his alarm. But that's basically it. He'll get the, actually that was an old alert. That was 13 minutes ago. He'll get another one now. Okay. Give it a second. For some reason it's delayed. Normally it should be quick.
Vehicle alert.
There you go.
Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle. Vehicle alert. Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle. Vehicle alert. Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle.
Okay. So that's basically it. We do sell the kill switches by itself, and then we do sell them with the alert on the phone. If the customer, if you guys decide you guys want an alert if somebody tampering with your ignition switch, you can order that with that particular feature that sends you an alert. You don't need a hotspot on the vehicle or anything. And by the way, it does come with an app, and it also comes with GPS, so you'll be able to see where the truck is. First year is free, and after that it's just $39 a year. But the first year is free for the service. You don't need a hotspot or nothing that hooks up to the server. Basically, like I say, right now the truck won't start again because we waited long enough while I was talking to you. I'll show you that the truck won't start. Okay, so let's say somebody tampers with it. Okay, all right, and that will prevent anybody from stealing your truck. Like I say, everything will come prepped up, ready to go. It comes with 2 fobs. It's got the equipment's got lifetime warranty. There's the alert
your
again.
Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle.
Since we tamper with the ignition switch again, it sends you an alert. So basically, when you come back to the truck, you're always going to hit the unlock, and then you turn the key and start it, and it will not send you an alert because you hit the unlock. But if you turn the key in ignition, or if you bust out the keyhole to try to steal your truck, somebody tries to steal your truck, and that's when it's not going to start, and it's going to send you an alert anywhere you are in the world. The truck has to be inside Canada, United States, and Puerto Rico, and you will still get the alert. And you, with your phone, you can even be out of the country. It doesn't matter. Again, to order this kit or have it installed, if you live in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, kill switches on these type of trucks, semi trucks or dump trucks. Again, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.